Hey YouTube, welcome back. This is Calvin with Dreamedia Home Theater. Today we're going to be checking out the Focal 1000 in-wall brackets. As you can see, we already have a couple hanging up around this beautiful home theater under construction just outside of Nashville. This is going to be an awesome 15-channel Focal 1000 series with RTJ subwoofers up front. Make sure you're following along with the channel to see how this build all comes together. But today we're going to be unboxing the Focal 1000 series in-wall brackets. We're going to put them together, show you how to secure them to the wall, and we're going to get into it right after the intro. Alright guys, so let's get right into it. This is what's going to arrive if you are looking to do the Focal 1000 series in wall 6, the IW6. This is the pre-construction bracket. As you can see, pretty straightforward. We're going to open it up and put it together. If you guys are interested in this product, we do sell and are authorized dealers for Focal. Personally, I have heard the Focal 1000 series. They do have the beryllium tweeters. Personally, I think it is the best in-wall speaker that I have ever heard. And this customer is going to love his system once everything is installed. But let's get right into it. First of all, you're going to pull out the top bracket. Everything else out of here. Alright, everything comes neatly packaged together. And that is everything that is inside this box. So, now we have a top and bottom. We have the two side brackets that connect them. And then we have the plastic stems that kind of branch off from the side, allowing you to secure it to the studs. That way your drywallers can drywall right over the top of it, and then they have basically a rectangle to cut out the drywall, and it's going to be as simple as that. This is all about convenience and quality of life. If you don't want to have to stencil out the template into the drywall or are unsure, these are just an easy way. That way your drywallers have something to go against. Cut out those holes. That way, whenever we have to come back in, we grab the speaker wire, hook them up, shove them into the wall, and now we're good to go. All the mess has already been made and cleaned up. So, putting these together, if you're taking a look, they have a little L channel here for this bracket here. So we're going to slide these into place like so, and then you'll go until you hear a click, just like that. Now it's locked into place. We're going to do the same thing over on this side. Line up the L to the L, slide it all the way down until you hear the click, just like that. Now the top one is a little bit more complicated. Still very easy, but you just need to get them started at the same time. Just like so. And then even pressure, sliding them down. That way you don't get one out of whack. So I just hold it up here like this. You're going to slide it down until you hear a click. That's it. Now we have it together. Now it's time to apply the plastic stems. I'm going to open those up. And they have the little notches at the top here. If you're ever unsure, if you're following along with this video, very straightforward. But if you're ever unsure, it does come with the instructions. Take a glance. It only takes a couple seconds to put these together. So you'll see a little notch here. They just all click in. Just push it in until you hear it snap. Now it's solid. You just repeat this step all the way around. one's in place. That one's in place. And the last and final one. Now we got them all in place. And now we are ready to drill this and secure it into position. We already have it marked on the studs where this speaker bracket needs to go, but we'll flip the camera around, show you how to. We're just going to use drywall screws here to screw them onto the studs. And then these little hooks here, hey, they give you a little something to pre-wire too. That way you can loop your speaker wire around it. That way it doesn't drop down in the wall after drywall or goes missing. Hey, you have something to wrap it around, secure it to, and it has a little tension. That way when you run your speaker wire, it makes it easy for one person or whoever's pre-wiring. So we're going to get it flipped around, secure to the wall. We're going to show that right now. To get this job done correctly, we're going to use a small level. That way whenever you are mounting the speaker into place, you can make sure it's level and square. We're also going to use a drill, but you can also use a screwdriver to screw this into the studs. We're going to go ahead and I'll grab my drill here. Going to go ahead and pop a screw into this in the stud cavity to hold it in place while we get the level. Then we'll come back and do a second screw to secure it in place. Alright, that should hold it for a second. Just going to grab the level. Go ahead and grab another screw. So get it square. Right there looks good. Boom. That's it. Now you're going to repeat that process to the bottom stems just to hold it. Make sure nothing moved. We're still perfect. That's all we're shooting for. Is perfection. Alright, now we can have the drywallers come in. They're going to drywall right over top of this. Use the drywall saw, cut right in there. Then all we have to do is pop the speaker into place, get the connection terminals correct. Again, if you guys would like to purchase anything you see on our channel, as well as get ready for these Focal 1000s. Again, they sound phenomenal. I can't wait to have you guys follow along with the rest of this build out. It's going to be a full Focal 1000 system right outside of Nashville. So if you guys are located there, feel free to come up and take a listen for yourself. It's going to be a tremendous system. I can't wait to show you more. But yeah, if you guys are interested in anything you see, be sure to give us a call. We would definitely appreciate the support. And that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and we'll catch you in the next one.